profit November 22nd, 2024. Let's break the trade we took down. If you want to see the live execution, you can look in the description below and find the video at the link. Tricky day, not the most clean setups, not a lot of signals, if any at all, really. Didn't tap into any higher time frame Peter arrays at the gray box below or above. Didn't tap into the prior day high at the blue line or the prior day low right here at the red. But my higher time frame bias was bullish, and we did kind of push up. Uh, didn't quite hit our higher time PD array by the end of the day, but we did push up for most of the day. And we just had to work with what the market was offering on a Friday. So I took my 50 points. I got out. No muss, no fuss. Great week of trading. And hopefully I can show you my first payout with my funded futures with my new accounts with them, and you can see the evidence of what I've been doing. But higher time frame bullish, this is the silver bullet hour. Okay, we get our inversion right here. Make sure you pay attention to possible volume imbalances, or you might not know this is a bullish fair value gap right here. We come up, okay, then we come back down, and we create this breaker right here at the yellow. We close over it. That is my signal. It's go time. At the advanced market structure shift, as soon as we close over it, I'm entering. Now, because we don't have a fair value gap that broke over this breaker, what I'm going to do is take 5 points from the advanced market structure shift and put my stop 5 points away. It's a 5 point stop. Okay. And now this is why I always take my 50 points, because it's guaranteed when I get my signal. Okay, for the most part, it's like 90 to 95% always in my favor if I take profit at 50 points. Now, if I aimed for this low hanging fruit right here, I would have lost this trade. Okay, if this was my target, I would have just missed out, and then it came back and it would stop me out. Now, when we hit 25 points from the advanced market structure shift, I usually think you should, like when we hit up 25 points, you should move your stop to break even. Okay? Move your stop to break even. Just so, this doesn't happen to you, just in case this goes up. But yeah, that's why I take my 50 points. I had a great Friday, had a great week of trading. I want to be happy on the weekend. I don't want to be mad at my girl and my kids. So that's why I say take 50 points, especially with at least one mini. That's a good amount of money you're making if you can consistently nail that. I believe if you can find 50 points, okay, Monday through Friday, which I think is possible, you can get 10K a month essentially. So think about that for a second. Take the 50 points. Don't get so greedy all the time, especially on a Friday when it gets all choppy and messy and the market's not giving you much, especially considering what happened prior in the week. You know, get in, get out, have a good weekend. But yeah, that's the trade breakdown. Happened during the silver bullet hour. There was one signal in here where I got a little bit of money, but I didn't really trust it. I just wrote it for like 15 points or something like that. It's a very, very, very messy signal. Just price wasn't, it was just very high resistant, very choppy. So this was the nice play. You had to be patient. You had to look very hard, but it was there. This is HB, Punch a Profit. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. God bless and peace.